And news that is just coming in, even as the Parliament winter session is about to start, there are multiple notices being given by the opposition. Rahul Gandhi, as per sources, wants the focus clearly on vote chori. SIR is a big issue for the opposition, combined with the deaths of the booth level officers. Multiple notices have been given by members of Parliament, especially from the opposition ranks, demanding a discussion on this particular issue.
Aman is with us. Aman, the SIR issue could have put the government on a dock, but I think the biggest judge of anything is the electoral results. In Bihar, it clearly did not work at all. So in that sense, is that going to give that vantage to the government that you can keep on shouting SIR, लोगों ने आपको reject कर दिया?
Monsoons चले गए, winter has come, but the SIR issue is still unresolved. The entire monsoon session, we saw washed out over the SIR issue, the opposition demanding a discussion on it, the government saying a matter concerning Election Commission of India can't be discussed on the floor of the Parliament. Balram Jakhar's ruling was brought out, and both the sides have their arguments. But still, I think the government is very clear that there is no commitment by the government. Even at yesterday's all-party meeting, what I'm told that the SIR will be discussed. And the parties, I think the last time in the monsoon session, we saw the Congress very strong, asking for the SIR discussion. Now I think both the Samajwadi Party and the Trinamool Congress are equally, very aggressive on the SIR issue, because Trinamool Congress clearly sees a threat, as they said, just before the West Bengal elections, that the SIR could eliminate maybe much more voter base. Samajwadi Party also, 2 years ahead of the Uttar Pradesh elections, is fearing such a same thing. So I think there is more meeting of mind this time amongst all the opposition parties, especially the states which are going to election, be it the DMK, be it the left in Kerala, that they want to jointly counter the government on the SIR issue, while the government is clearly in no mood to discuss the SIR issue. And I think the government also has its, I was thinking mojo is even more strong this time after the big Bihar result, because I was hearing a top minister say yesterday that even Sanjay Jha said it from the JDU, that the Bihar result is actually a proof that SIR worked. It has shown there's not even a single objection by anybody. Nobody has objected that their vote was cut. So the SIR has worked beautifully in Bihar. And just because the opposition lost doesn't mean that SIR is wrong. So I think the government has already set the tone, while the opposition, I think, more rallying together on the SIR issue. I don't have much hope that the winter session of Parliament, these 15 sittings, are going to happen at all. Maybe a couple of days when the Vande Mataram debate happens, maybe the opposition and the government will mend fences and do that discussion. But besides that, I don't see much hope in the House running in these 15 sittings which will happen.
I also see a change as far as the opposition's role is concerned. Trinamool Congress now is saying that we have not said we are opposed to SIR. What we are saying is that the manner in which Election Commission is executing it, and because EC has now extended the deadline by a week, TMC is taking credit for that. So that nuance change position, could that be a meeting ground? Could the Bharatiya Janata Party led NDA now try and make things work by reaching out after this position by some opposition parties?
Well, see, I mean, even in the SIR discussion, they have also, changed the entire thought process in the opposition. Earlier, if you see in the last session, Arunima, they only wanted discussion on SIR, where some of the government ministers or leaders were saying that they could have a discussion on the larger electoral reform. But this time around, if you listen to these opposition leaders, they are saying that they want discussion on SIR, you name it, whatever you want to name it. And as far as, of course, TMC is concerned, now on SIR discussion, it seems that everyone is on board. Everybody is saying that they want, SIR to happen, but there needs to be a process, and they are raising questions on the entire process. And now, as you, in fact, also reported yesterday, there is an extension of 7 days. 7 days extension probably is not something which opposition parties were asking. They were demanding for more times. But in fact, as the issue of the BLO's that's something probably because Election Commission has spoken to their people, the election in charge in different states where the SIR is taking place, and probably on that basis, they could have taken this decision to really extend it for 7 days. But of course, this winter session of Parliament is going to be very, very interesting. Government, of course, would want to pass some of the important bills, and on the other hand, of course, opposition has made it very clear. Yesterday, Arunima, when we saw in that all-party meeting, there were fire discussion happened, and in fact there were some heated arguments which also happened there. So opposition is very clear. They want discussion on the SIR. What government will do on that, that's something which we'll have to see, whether the specific discussion on SIR will happen, or you will have that larger electoral reform discussion, which probably will work in favor of the government.
Okay, we've also got Shehzad Poonawalla with us. Bit bad throat, but I don't think that's going to stop you from speaking out loudly. But the other big issue, so we are going to see whether the government is going to lose its voice or the opposition is. The other big issue is Vande Mataram. Now, Vande Mataram, to my reading, is a googly which is also being thrown by the government. Because look, having been hurt by this whole Hindu agenda in Bengal is why Mamata Banerjee is very, very careful and now projecting herself as, I'm a Hindu, Chandi Pat and all of that. Now, Vande Mataram, she's smarter. She says, I don't mind a discussion on this, but Congress is as usual not being very smart and saying we have an opposition to Vande Mataram. What's the BJP's ploy and strategy behind it?
See, Vande Mataram, in the light of partisan politics, is extremely unfair. We are in the 150th year of the commemoration of this national slogan, which came about much before the BJP was even in existence. So to reduce this to a political partisan debate, I think those who, and Mamata Banerjee, is good that she is not opposed to the debate, but there must be a debate and there must be one voice. Just like Vande Mataram united the entire nation, we should speak in one voice. But unfortunately, those who chopped off Vande Mataram back then out of vote bank considerations, today don't want to have Vande Mataram debate or discussion on it. Having said that, look Pallavi, let me first come and address the real issue, which is the SIR issue. Last 20-30 sessions that you all have seen, when is the last time Congress on any issue that it suggested itself then ended up doing a discussion? They are not for discussion, they are for dharna. They are not for consensus, they are for confrontation. They are not for national interest, they are for parivarik. And therefore this model, now when they have lost the Bihar elections, they want to find a scapegoat. They want that accountability should not be fixed on Rahul Gandhi. So then the SIR bahana comes. You all are all covering parliament for decades now or many, many years. Can an ongoing sub judice matter, which SIR is, be discussed in parliament? Is this the BJP's ruling or is it the parliament ruling? Secondly, what is their everyday allegation, Pallavi, when she goes to take bite of Imran Masood? Ye election commission ka jawab kyun dete hain? Ye election commission ka jawab kyun dete hain? Who's going to answer in parliament for election commission's SIR? BJP. I mean, it's so contradictory. What are they asking for?
But can you have a broader discussion on electoral reform?
Who's refused that? When have we ever said no for it? And Congress will talk about electoral reforms.
Yeah, but government has agreed to electoral reform, but the opposition wants to focus on SIR, right?
As for every party's view on electoral reforms, Congress never submitted. What is Congress's view? They bought an EVM, they oppose it today. They did SIR 20 times, 15 times, now they oppose it today. They want SIR in Maharashtra before the local polls. We are having local polls in Maharashtra. There they say, SIR abhi ke abhi karao. And then they say in Bengal, bahut jalbazi ho rahi hai. What is the stand? SIR nahi, this is saving your parivar. And this is Samvidhan pe war. Because Rahul Gandhi ko bachana hai yaar. This is the only issue.
So that is going to be the top issue, the new FIR against Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi as far as BJP is concerned. Will you keep that focus on that?
How
The
is
matter
it
is sub
new?
judice, however.
How is it new if it has come up in October? Yesterday you only were on the show. You educated the Congress spokesperson that October mein FIR hua. It is a legal statutory necessity. Nothing has changed in that matter except that there is a criminal angle of that investigation which was started by the court. It continues. There's an IT angle which the courts have continued. There is an ED angle. The ED angle needs to be based on a predicate offence registered in a FIR. It's a statutory requirement. It has only been put in an FIR. There's no change. But then there are some people who want right to rule and right to loot. Right to rule भी मेरा होना चाहिए. If I lose right to rule, I will shout against the election commission. Right to loot भी मेरा होना चाहिए. If I'm caught looting, then I will shout against the investigating agency. ऐसा नहीं चलता. They should send Mr. Singhvi and they should get the FIR quashed.
No, we were hoping the Congress spokesperson would be here to defend them, but
please show this empty chair. This is the sign of to come. They have already done walkout. And I'm requesting with folded hands to the Congress that come, let us discuss for the nation. Nation is bigger than our parties and parivar.
We are hoping that the Congress spokesperson
they will not
join
come.
us,
They will
join
not
us
come. They will do
shortly.
this in Parliament.
But then what is the opposition's view on all the matters that the Bharatiya Janata Party led NDA are raising? Payal Mehta caught up with Tiruchi Siva and the other leaders. Let's listen into what they had to say.
Mr. Siva, the DMK has vehemently been raising the issue of the SIR. What have you said today and what assurance you got from the government?
See, this session is unprecedentedly a very short session. The government has listed 14 bills. So in that situation, we have our own issues. It is only 12 days, 15 days, and among that, 3 days will be private member day and only 12 days. In this situation, we have to raise too many issues, like the allocation for Narega is being reduced every year. And as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, the Samagra Shiksha fund, it is accumulating more and more, it is not being given. And the governor, any bill which he can give assent, he is forwarding to the president. And denying of the metro project, which is very essential for us, saying some other reasons.
मैं मानता हूं विपक्ष एक बार फिर से गतिरोधक बनने का प्रयास करेगा। जिस तरीके से मॉनसून सत्र में बाधा डालने का प्रयास विपक्ष के द्वारा किया गया, उनके पास सिर्फ एक ही लक्ष्य अब रह गया है कि ना वो काम करेंगे ना किसी को काम करने देंगे। इसी भूमिका में विपक्ष बिहार में भी और यही भूमिका में केंद्र में भी विपक्ष ना काम करना है ना काम करने देना है, ये सोच गलत है विपक्ष की।
What were the issues that your party raised? Because you were very strongly raising the SIR issue.
All the opposition parties said we need to have structured discussion regarding the SIR. And Parliament is supreme, and there is no harm in discussing about SIR. And at least 9 times, 10 times the Parliament has discussed about election scene, electoral reforms, and also election commission. And the Parliamentary Affairs Ministry is on record. In an interview to a newspaper, he said that if they widen the topic like reforms, we are ready for a discussion. Yes, we said we agree and concur with the view of the Parliamentary Affairs Minister. Let us widen the topic of SIR. Let us include electoral reforms also. Let us have a structured discussion. So now it is up to him to honor his words.